Hi, my name is Arjun V, and I'm an incoming junior at Los Alamos High School. I just finished my first modification, and that include of my knee rehab monitor, and that includes adding an external knee brace with hinges and a servo that pulls a string that pulls my lower leg in. So I still have my main product under this knee brace, but now I added some hinges on an external knee brace and a servo. So with a switch, I can control the servo and make it pull my lower leg in like this, like that. It also releases the tension so I can extend my knee again. The process of making this started with me figuring out how a servo worked. A servo is basically a motor that you can program it so that it can turn to specific degrees and specific speeds. I needed a servo for my product because the string needed to be turned to a specific 180 degrees. So first I wired the servo to my old Arduino of my main product, and I figured out how that worked. And my second step was to add the switch. When I add the switch, I needed a program to make the switch. When the switch is on, the servo would turn. So after doing that, I put it onto my external knee brace and glued it on, and then tested it out, and now it's what it is now. Some of the challenges were that my external knee brace was way too big, so I had to figure out how I could keep it on. And another challenge of mine was my switch. It had 3 pins, and I'm only used to working with 2-pin switches, and I had to learn how to wire this for my server to work. If I had to do anything differently for my main project, I would probably reinforce my flex sensor because it was really fragile and it kept breaking. Another thing I would do is to get a nicer accelerometer the first time around, so I wouldn't have to replace it the second time.